Okay, here we go. This is my DeWalt 40 volt max XR battery powered lawnmower. Well, about a month ago it just stopped working. The battery fully charged, but when you put it in, the battery could not spin the rotors, and it gave no indicators or lights that showed that there was a problem. On a lot of the videos you'll see folks say that it's this switch, which it could be, but in this case it wasn't. So I broke the lawnmower down and ran my multimeter down here. So once you get in here, you'll see this red wire that comes off of the battery. If you run your multimeter on that, you'll probably get about 36 to 40 volts, depending on your battery. So from there, I started tracing the line all the way up. I checked here, took this casing off. You know, that's where the dead man switch is in there, but that seemed to be working properly. But traced it up to here to see if it was getting power up in the handle. So once I got in here, you know, you see where the red wire down there comes in, and this is where I was not getting power. So you have to be very careful, because I disassembled this entire head, but this thing is spring loaded. So this little handle here, once that spring pops out, you're gonna have a heck of a time putting it back together. I was able to do so. I haven't put all the screws back, that's why it's a little loose here. But here's the problem, and I couldn't find this anywhere else on the internet, so I'm just posting this now. So this red wire here that brings in that 40 volts has a short. Once I placed my multimeter pole inside there, it broke the short and the motor started spinning. As soon as I took it out, it cut off again. So I'm gonna have to replace this to get it back to working again, and I think it's gonna be fine after that. So if I get time, I'll post another video showing the after. But I just want to get this out there because I couldn't find anywhere where anyone was able to diagnose one of these DeWalt lawnmowers, and once it stops spinning, it really just becomes a giant yellow paperweight. So I really wanted to get something out there to see if we could get more of these things back working. All right, I'll post another video once I'm finished, and if everything turns out successful, so you'll be able to see it.